Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. Before we jump into today's video, I've got some pretty exciting stuff to show you guys, so stay tuned till the end of the video so you guys can hear more about this product and actually go about buying this product. But don't go away because this is pretty cool, especially for you Mercedes enthusiasts, because you don't come across these very easily. I'm gonna show you guys the product real quick. I think it's pretty cool, and we can go ahead and install it and explain a little bit more about the product and the company, and we can go from there. So this product is from Boslla Lighting. I mean, just take a look at it. It's pretty much an LED bulb light for your, for your car. And this is pretty cool because, I mean, I've been there before and I know it's very hard to find LEDs for your Mercedes. For other cars, it's probably really easy. I'm not exactly sure, but I know for Mercedes, you gotta buy the LED light and some sort of like kit to have it actually working, because Mercedes, sometimes when you put in LED lights, it like blinks and like it thinks like, the bulb is dead because it's not producing enough energy to power up the bulb. But this one, it's an easy plug and play. So let me show you guys the product real quick. So this is what comes in with the kit. Obviously with my Mercedes, it's a H7. If you go on their website, you can easily access your car, and then it would bring up like a list of products that would work perfectly in your car. And again, it's plug and play. This is just a little booklet, and this is actually the product manual to show you how to install it. Again, it's a simple plug and play. So let me show you guys real quick the product. This is it right here. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'll show you guys how to actually plug this in. These LED bulbs are really cool. Just take a look at it. All you have to do is just plug and play, and that's it. These are the low beams. You can get them for the high beams as well. It's a plug and play. You can get them for the fog lights as well. It would be really cool if I got the fog lights from them as well. Wink, wink. What I've noticed with this car, especially with a bunch of Mercedes actually, you guys actually know inside the headlight, you see that little housing right there blocking the bulb? I've noticed that it really lights up the headlight, but it doesn't really light up like your vision of where you're going. So I'm really excited about this because I know for sure it's 100% gonna really brighten up the road, and I can see more and just focus better on the road with these right here, because they're LEDs. But the regular stock headlights, they don't really project a lot of light. The other thing I was gonna say is with these lights, you can get the yellow light on their site. It basically tells you a lot of what colors they have on their site and how it works. This manual right here actually shows you how to install it. Again, this is not only for Mercedes. If you go on the site and you put in your year and make and model, it'll basically pop up what they have for your car. And it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and install this real quick. All right, so we're in the engine bay. I actually have a video on how to actually install your low beam bulbs. You guys can go check it out, but I will go ahead and demonstrate in this video also. So you go ahead and take the cover off. So after taking the cover off, you're gonna have to pull out the wiring harness. Pull it out. This is how it looks like. And I'll show you guys which part connects in here. So this is actually gonna go inside that wiring harness I was talking about. If it doesn't work, just pull it out and go ahead and flip this and plug it back in, and it should work. Holy crap, guys, check it out. Massive difference. I'm not sure if the video is doing any justice, but that's shining a lot brighter than what my stock HID lights were doing. You could also adjust how the lights reflects by just turning it inside the housing itself and go from there. But man, I'm really excited about this. I definitely want to go check it out when it's dark outside, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, check it out. I also noticed like there's a fan in there that actually spins to cool it off. So that's pretty cool. But there's one more thing I want to show you guys real quick. In the installation manual, it actually recommends to leave this open, so not put this back. But if you really want to use this, you can drill a hole in here for air to be going in. right, guys, holy crap, I'm on the road right now and this just feels like I have my high beams on. This is insane. This is like night and day from, you know, from the stock low beam lights to the to these LED bulbs. Seriously, guys, if I would highly recommend getting these you know, LED lights for your cars. This is really impressive. I feel very comfortable just driving and, you know, knowing that I can see what's on the road in terms of, you know, potholes, or who knows, like wherever you live, there could be like deers, you know, running across the street, so you could see it from like, you know, almost a mile away. So I'm very impressed with this, guys. I'm literally parked on the side of the road and look at how bright these lights are. That's insane. So if you guys want to grab these LED bulbs, I would highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can grab them and get a 10% discount off of your purchase. Go ahead and use that link, and there should be a coupon code that, and purchase your LED bulb, guys. Wow, this is amazing. Like, I just want to drive all night now. But anyways, I'm gonna close out the video here. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If there's anything, I might make a separate video in here and close it out, but this looks really great.